Welcome to Siksha Maths Academy. Today we will discuss already నేను ఇంట్రడక్షన్ చెప్పాను సీక్వెన్సెస్ అండ్ సిరీస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ అయితే మీరు నా ఛానల్ ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడైతే టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్దాం. సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే సీక్వెన్సెస్ అండ్ సిరీస్ నేను మీకు ఆల్రెడీ మొన్న ఏపీ సీక్వెన్సెస్ అంటే ఏంటి, సిరీస్ అంటే ఏంటి, వాట్స్ ద సీక్వెన్స్ అండ్ వాట్స్ ద సిరీస్ అండ్ ఏపీ, జీపీ, హెచ్పీ, సో అవన్నీ చెప్పుకున్నాం. సో ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ టుడే వచ్చేసి మనకి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్. సో మనం ఈ టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఏపీ టర్మ్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇలా తీసుకుని మీకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఒకసారి చూడండి. సో 3 టర్మ్స్ అంటే a - t, a, a plus t. నెక్స్ట్ 4 టర్మ్స్ అయితే a - 3d, a - t, a plus d, a plus 3d. నెక్స్ట్ 4 టర్మ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ 5 టర్మ్స్ a - 2d, a - t, a plus 2d, a plus t, a plus 2d. నెక్స్ట్ 6 టర్మ్స్. సో కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేసి మనకి హియర్ d, హియర్ 2d, హియర్ d అండ్ 2d. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకి ఇక్కడ nth టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద nth టర్మ్ హియర్? nth టర్మ్ ఈస్ a plus n minus 1 into d. సో హియర్ a is first term. Next see here nth term. So what is the nth term in AP? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. The sum of the Sn is, Sn terms of the Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and or n by 2 into a plus l. This is the very important మనకి objective కి. Okay. Here a is equal to first term. A వచ్చేసి మనకి first term and d వచ్చేసి common difference and l వచ్చేసి last term. Okay. A common differences which see here carefully. It's very important in JEE mains. Okay. Next. Similarly, see here GP series a, AR square. Here nth term is AR to the power of n minus 1 and the sum of nth term formula. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here r greater than 0. Suppose r less than 0. So what is the Sn is equal to? So Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. This is r less than 1. This is r greater than 1. Here S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. Okay. These are the very important concepts. Okay. Now next we will discuss the problems. Okay. Using AP conditions now can solve the problems. Okay. So what is the AP condition here? AP lo whatever we take the terms a minus t, a plus t, and nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d and Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Next. See the first question. If the sum of the all 3 numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440, find the numbers. So what is the given here? The sum of the all 3 numbers is in AP. So first you have to take the in AP terms. So what is the AP terms? You have to take a minus d, a plus d. Okay. In this first video also I told you. See here first video also. Once again, a minus t, a plus t. This is the AP terms. So what is the given question here? In the sum of the all 3 numbers in AP is 24. So sum. This means all the 3 terms add the 3 terms. A plus b plus a plus d is equal to. So what is this value? 24. So this value is 24. That is equal to here plus t minus t gets cancelled. So 3a is equal to 24. So 3 ones are 3 8s are a is equal to 8. Okay, a is equal to 8. So and their condition is their product is 440. Their product is 440. And so product means a minus b into a plus d is equal to 440. Okay. Now a minus d into a plus d. See here is in the form of this first and last terms is in the form of a plus d into a minus d. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay. So a square minus b square and a. So what is the a value here? 8. So 8 is equal to 440. Here cancellation 4 5s are gets cancelled. 55. Next a square minus d square is equal to 55. So what is the a value here? 8. So 8 square means 8 square is 64. 64 minus d square is equal to 55. So this 55 send this side, this minus d square send that side. Okay, so 64 minus 55 is equal to d square. That is equal to, so d square is equal to 9, d is equal to plus or minus 3. So you will get here d value is plus or minus 3. Now, so what is the given question here? If the sum of the product is the, find the numbers. So what do you want? The numbers. If d is equal to, now I am taking first d is equal to 3. I am taking. So what is the terms here? A minus d comma a plus d. Now I am substituting a and d values. Here a value is 8 and d value is 3. And here 8, here 8 minus 3. So plus 3. So 8 minus 3, 5, 8, 11. So these are the plus 3 terms. Next case 2. If d is equal to minus 3. If d is equal to minus 3. 8 plus 3 comma 8 comma 8 minus 3. Okay. So 11 comma 8 comma 5. Okay. So here you will get d value is plus or minus 3. If d is equal to 3, get these terms. If d is equal to minus 3 and 11 comma 8 comma 5. So in this model in AP sums. Okay. Next we will see the next sum. See the next question. In an AP of 99 terms, the sum of all the odd number terms in 2550, then find the sum all the 99 terms of the AP. Okay, now it's very important model. Okay, see here. So here given 99 terms in AP, the sum of the all odd number. Here I am taking 1 to 99. So 50 by 2 into A1 plus A99 is equal to 2550. Okay. Next odd numbers are odd number terms in 2550. Then find the sum of all 99 terms of the AP. Okay, now so see here, it's cancelled. So 5 5s are 5 1s are. So A1 plus A99 is equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are. So this is the given value. So what you want to find here? Sum of all the 99 terms of the AP. Sum of all terms. So what is the given? What you want to find? 99. So 99 by 2 into A1 plus A99, that is equal to 2550. Okay, into A1 plus A99 value is 102. See here, cancellation, 2 5s are 2 1s are. So 99 into 51, 99 9 5s are 45, 45 49. So 9 14 10 5. So 5049. Okay. So see here, now AP the 99 terms, all the sum of the all the odd number terms means in this 2850. Then find the sum of all 99 terms of the AP. So given 50 by 2 into A1 plus A99 is equal to 2550. So A1 plus A99 is equal to 102. The sum of the all terms formula already I explained you, n by 2 into a plus n. Okay, so that is equal to 99 by 2 into 102. Okay, see the simplification, 5049. Okay, next the next question.